I'm about to explain to you exactly what Ethereum is, why you should be getting involved with Ethereum, and why it is the most popular currency in my eyes right now. Guys, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. So let's get straight into the video. So guys, at its core, right, Ethereum is a decentralized cryptocurrency powered by the blockchain, okay? It's a community-run technology powering the cryptocurrency Ether, okay? And has thousands of decentralized applications inside of it. Now, if you want to be getting started in this, I need you to do your own research first, all right? But it's a portal into the world of Ethereum. The tech is new and ever-evolving, helps you to guide through this website. First thing you should ever do when thinking about Ethereum is obviously do your own research, but pick a wallet. So let's have a look what they've got for store. Wallets are very important to how your cryptocurrency journey begins, all right? And they've got some here. They've got the Linear Wallet, Ledger, Safe. Now, there's different kind of wallets that you can have. You can actually have physical wallets, you can have hardware wallets, you can have ones up here. I like MetaMask. Extension plug up here. This is where I hold my Ethereum. Now, Ethereum was designed to be scalable. Now, the community is built into a blooming digital economy, bold new ways for creators to earn online, and so much more. It's open to everyone, all right? It's very scalable for the world. It's a fairer financial system, so billions of people can't open bank accounts right now. We agree, right? The world is in crisis right now with the banking systems. So Ethereum's decentralized finance system never sleeps or discriminates. With just an internet connection, you can send, receive, borrow, earn interest, and steam funds anywhere in the world. Ethereum is known as the Internet of Assets, okay? Anything you can own can be represented. So trading and put as use as non-fungible tokens, NFTs, is one of the biggest things you can talk about with tokenized art. Now, Ethereum does manage that market. Ethereum owns the NFT market right now, okay? It's incredible. There is other ones, of course, Solana, things like that. Even Bitcoin have come out, but Ethereum is killing it. OpenSea is probably the biggest marketplace for NFTs, and you can see here how much volume of ETH is just going through the top 10, okay? It's insane how much Ethereum has absolutely destroyed the NFT market. It's amazing what they've done there. So as an open internet, you can actually gain access to free internet service by giving up control of your personal data. Ethereum servers are open by default. You just need a wallet, right? They're free, easy, and set up. Now, it is a new frontier for development, so its apps are transparent. They're open source. You can fault code and reuse functionality others have already built if you don't want to learn a new language. And Ethereum right now, if you're thinking about getting involved, okay, $1,802. It's the latest price for Ether, okay? Now the transactions, even just every single day. So right today is like 1.16 million in the last 24 hours. Okay, they've got a value locked in DeFi 53 billion and there's over 11,720 nodes. That's why this is incredible. Guys, if you are here to get involved in a cryptocurrency, if you don't really know what you're doing with cryptocurrency, you just want to get involved, Ethereum is a safe bet. It's like buying stocks and going for Apple, okay? It's very useful to get into Ethereum and Bitcoin and things like that because they will never stop. A big question everybody's asking is, what's the difference between Ethereum and Bitcoin, okay? So Ethereum builds on Bitcoin's innovation with some massive differences. Both let you use digital money without payment providers or banks, but Ethereum is programmable, so you can also build and deploy decentralized applications on its network. For example, the NFT side, all right? Ethereum being programmable means that you can build apps that use blockchain and store data, which Bitcoin is only a payment network, guys, all right? So Ethereum is more like a marketplace for the financial services, games, social networks, other apps, things like that, whereas Bitcoin is a payment network. Now, what can it actually do? Allow banking for everyone, allow a more private internet, a peer-to-peer network, censorship resistance, commercial guarantees, and obviously a lot more. So let's actually quickly explore before I finish this video what you can actually do with these coins, all right? These dApps that I keep talking about, decentralized apps, there is so many of them, all right? If you want to start swapping your tokens out, use things like Uniswap, Matcha, 1inch. If you want to do lending and borrowing, so guys, there's many ways you can make money with crypto, especially Ethereum, probably one of the biggest. Okay, you've got IIB, Compound, Oasis, PWN. Again, do your research into this. If you want to just simply invest that crypto, you can get into decentralized apps like Token Sets, Pull Together, Index. And if you want to start trading and actually using your crypto to predict the markets, you've got Loopring, Polymarket, all right? For payments, Tornado Cash, Sabio, you can see where we're going, guys. Go on this website, that link down below. If you want to get into crowdfunding, you've got Gitcoin grants, portfolios, insurance. These are all different things that you can get involved with Ethereum. And it's why I think it's probably the best asset to invest in with cryptocurrency in 2023. Now, guys, before I end this video, I want to tell you a little bit about the strengths and weaknesses of Ethereum. So let's go on the strengths first. Ethereum is actually the second largest liquid digital asset behind only Bitcoin. It boasts more developers, more developing activity, dApps, node counts, settlement values, and aggregate fees than any of our assets. The flexibility of Ethereum's smart contract actually allow for a multitude of purposes. And there is thousands of dApps dApps and partnerships built within Ethereum. Now, these are the strengths. Now, the weaknesses in this is the project is actually still incomplete, all right? It's coming with a multi-year upgrade, which does have substantial risk. And the current scaling issues actually limit the ability to scale with Ethereum. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of what Ethereum is, guys. Do me a favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.